To. Ang daming afam. Mostly mga afam bitaw nakanabitaw. Mga tiguang na wanggets na gagutian. Here. Also like an airplane. There. Diba? Able to order pad thai as usual. I also ordered this langka. I love their langka. Here we are guys, a big Buddha. As you can see. Talaga gusto kong puntahan dito sa Pattaya. The temple. Look. And the dragon. Pero it's raining na. Oh my gosh. I'm not sure if I can go up because it's raining now. Here. Have a Buddha here. Yeah. And then that's the dragon heads. Nice kumuha ng picture dyan, no? Should we? Wala mo kay payong. Oh my gosh. Dito na naman tayo. I think 9 firecrackers sa taas. Amazing. Let's see. Very nice dito, oh. My gosh. Hindi naman malakas ang ulan, which is good, pero it's drizzling. Ayan, siguro kung may mga year of the chuchu, siguro ano ka, depende sa anong year mo. Rat. Ayan, monkey.
Okay na, picture ta. Stay there.
Sige, I take picture. In a while, videohan ko muna mga statues here. Ayan. Take off your shoes kapag pumasok ka dyan. Mga take off your shoes sign. Zoom in daw natin. Ayan. Mas kita, diba? May mga statues, Buddha here. Yan. Buddhas din dito. Yan, the leaning Buddha.
Das kannst du vorne für den Roboter auch, du kannst es reinstecken und anzünden. Ich habe noch 2 Watt dabei. Warte, mach ein Foto, warte.
The leaning Buddha. Payat na Buddha. And then that's a heavy Buddha. So funny. Dito, oh. I think dyan pwede ka mag-wish. If you have some coins there. And then this is maganda view dito guys. Oh, look. Maganda view. Not sure what view is that. Could be Jomtien Beach or it could be something else. But yeah. Selfie daw tayo. Kaya guys, balik tayo. I wanna take some photos with the statues. So let's see. Ang ganda talaga, oh. Diba? Friday, may mga days sila that you can pray on. Amazing. And then, meron din sa loob ng market.
เดี๋ยวไปดูคอนล่านะคงดัง
I think mag-wish dyan. Something. There are these candles too.
Baby! Hey! Baby!
Sige, I'll take photos na. At least na-tour ko na kayo dito. So, I came from there. Sa baba. Diyan ako natin ng Grab. And then, makyat ako dito. Sa dito. Sige, let's take some photos before the rain starts to get heavy. Let's go down siguro guys. Let's take photos doon sa mga dragon heads. In between dragon heads. Something wala pa kayo tao. Go. Let's... Sige, let's... Tang na to. Ayan. O, diba? Ang ganda. Okay, one last video here with the Buddha behind me. Yeah. Hey all, I'm here na sa labas ng Central Mall, Central Pattaya. It's a mall here in Central Pattaya. So it's a central festive mall, if I'm not mistaken. Pumasok na tayo dyan, although hindi ko siya na-vlog because wala lang. I don't have the energy na and the memory card. But it's, wala namang special. I think Laisho din siya. Mahal din, may mga branded din na mga items mostly from what I've seen. And yeah, it's the usual kind of mall. And then I think may Pop Mart din dyan sa loob there. So yeah, I'm actually just walking na lang sa Beach Road here. So galing ako doon sa Wat Frayay, and then yeah, it's raining actually, pero hindi naman malakas, so it's fine. I'll just do my walking here sa Beach Road. I'm going to stay somewhere, siguro as something that has coffee. Could be this Starbucks here, or it could be somewhere else. There's a Korean cafe near here. So let's see. If I don't usually go to foreign cafes, especially here in Thailand, because anong man ko na tangkilik na lang ang local products nila, diba? To help their local tourism. Charot. But yeah, see. Parang malayo pa yun. So this is one of the bars here, the Beach Road. Ayan, ang daming afam. Mostly mga afam bitaw na kanabitaw. Mga tiguang na wanggets na og dagkuptian. Yeah. Usually mo na ako makita dire, and actually dagan kay Indians dire. If you guys don't know, there's tons of comment online, especially sa mga YouTube videos, na it's becoming a land of Indians, and it's true. Sabi talaga nila, they're everywhere. It seems like 80% of the foreigners here are Indians. I don't know why, but you can check it out in other YouTube videos too. So maybe I'll cross the street na. My place na lang siguro, because para mas madali lang ako makauwi, because I still have work later. Every day, let's cross. There's the beach there, my left side, across the street. Sunset Coffee Roasters. Parang okay din dyan. Okay din doon. Hingaw karon no, ang dagat area. Sige, ano pa man, sa'yo pa man, it's still 3 p.m. So, yeah, maybe let's try here. Siguro, sa Hanok, they have coffee here. So maybe let's try. I'm there. So, ayan. So, my son. Ayan, napabito. Diba? At bang rin siya sa Pattaya. Let's order. Hello. Ice Americano. Medium roasted. Sec. This is a cute place. Ano siya sa Beach Road, guys. I just ordered Cafe Americano. My order is here na. Here. Here's my order. Cafe Americano as usual. As usual. Yo guys, I'm here at Runway Night Market. It's like 11 minutes from my hotel. So yeah, this is the best feature of this night market is that they have also like an airplane there, diba? Para same na siya sa Terminal 21 na night market na airplane sa taas. I think that's the best feature that they have. Also, I only have, because nagtinanga ako, I only have 100 baht with me. So let's see what I can eat here, but I'm planning to eat salad. Green salad, something, because I haven't eaten salad since I was in Bangkok. So let's see what we can find here, and if 100 baht is enough for me today. I think it's enough naman, as long as I don't eat that a lot. Let's see. We got some chickens there. Pad Thai, favorite. Pad Thai na siguro kung makaon diri ba? Pad Thai. Hanap sila yung mga items, clothing. Let's see what we can find here and what we can eat. I feel like I don't have 20. Gosh. Ano nagtinanga manggod ko ba? Alam mo nung nagkaunda. Korean. Something like Thai seafood. Grabe sila dire. Abundance kay sila of seafood dire. Ano ako na-notice dire sa Thailand. Dagan yun sila seafood. Hapit pa ko madagmak. Charot.
Oh, roti.
Roti. I've tried roti. Lamig po siya. Pang snacks. Roti na ay Nutella. So, let's try it here. Let's see what we can find here, what we can eat. So, doubtful mo ko sa kong kwarta, like, guys. But this is a challenge for me. Nagtinanga. Like crocodile, guys. I haven't tried that yet. And yet to try that. I fried. Anong kainin ko? Mabili problema no pag dagan kay options ba? Malibog na noon kasi kaonon. Dagang options, pero gamay ra kong kwarta. Naunsa. Chika ano na ko, Lord, help me decide. Help me decide. Seafood. Ako fried morning glory. 200 po kayong crocodile grill. Na mag-chat trap yun na lang dito ani. Dami sila mga prutas diri. Mangita na lang sa ako ha. Wait. Hey, I guess nag-order na ko diri sa side. Wala ko nag-order dito sa may unahan. Kay Taligsik, dire na lang po. So, I ordered Pad Thai for 70. Yeah, 70 baht. And I'm gonna eat this sa, sa hotel na lang. Yeah. So, yeah, I'll walk na lang pabalik sa hotel because I still have work also. So, yeah. Wala ko napalit dito sa main. Itong naay airplane. Pwede dito ako sa kilid actually. Okay. Yeah. But let's go back na. Yo guys, I'm here sa labas ng hostel namin. The Bedroom Hostel. Diri lang ni siya sa Beach Road, Pattaya. Actually, in front lang, Jud, ang dagat. Here. Not sure if you guys can see. But yeah, so as I said kanina, diri na lang kumukaon, kaya naka-take out naman siya ang kaning pad thai na kung i-orderan. And then, fake news day ko. I thought na lang ko yung 100 na nadala. I think nakadala ko 200. So, I was able to order, wait, pakita lang na ako. So, I was able to order pad thai as usual. I also ordered this langka. I love their langka ay. As in, wala siya ka ng langsa, feeling bitaw ka ng baho. But yeah, I've tried this before. And I'm trying this again. And then I also, this is 60, this is 70, and then the drink is 70 sa 7-Eleven. This is latte. So, all in all, I paid 70, 70, 40, plus 60, 200. Sakto yun, 200. So yeah, let's eat na the pad thai. First, hopefully, let me know this is not the pad thai na ginapalitan ko pag nako doon sa Pattaya. This one is different. Nakita rin ako na siya na store sa gilid, and also because they have, out of all the pad thai na dito sa Runway Market, night market, kay kaniyang pinakabarato 70 baht ilang pad thai. And daghan na siya. See, sure if you can see that, but na ko. There. Ayan, much better. Daghan ilang pad thai in fairness. Napa sila pa shrimp, diba? Amazing. Sa usual na ako ginakaunan na pad thai, tag 100 ilahang pad. 180 di ay. This one is a bit cheaper, 70. And let's see how this tastes. But first, let me... Ano naman din eh. I thought wala pa mani. Naka-mix na danang mani. So, this is the pad thai guys. Cheers. Wow. Same siya. Ito akong favorite. Namin siya. In fairness. Mas lami iba siya kapit sa katong pinaka-the best good. Char. Itong pinaka-first na akong tilawan. Well, this is come second. I'd say this is second. Primarily because nakulangan ko gamay sa sauce, but the taste is very good. Wala pa dyan nakapildi ato akong pinaka-favorite na pad thai dito sa Central Night Market. But this one comes close. I could order this again. I would order this again. Gahe lang sa bilas dahon. Dili siya fresh. Now let's try the Thai langka. And Thailand langka. May siya. Dili siya na nakatamis para sa tua. And then kani siya mura siya balbagaan. Dili siya sobra kahinog, pero lami siya. And dili siya kanang sticky bitaw. Kanang sa langka na sticky. Wala siya na feeling, which is why I like their langka better. Kami din puta sa Vietnam, Thailand. Well, speaking of Vietnam, speaking lang, but I'm excited. You'll see. Pero yeah, favorite langka. Mag-work na ko in an hour, guys. Better na lang ko dalilaan. Kaya igot na lang ko sunod. I think this is where I end this video. So thank you guys for joining me, for joining with me today in my mga ganaps. So just a quick laag lang. And then, yeah, kaon. And then, I'm working na. Later. Bye!